The Dogelon defaces token endeavored to break out throughout the end of the week, yet withdrew on Tuesday as cryptographic forms of money auctions off pointedly, alongside values. The canine-themed memecoin has plunged by 82.5% starting from the beginning of the year, and 22.4% in the previous month, with digital currencies having stayed negative since the highs of last November. Is currently an opportunity to purchase or go short on the image-driven cryptographic money for the best future venture returns. Peruse on to figure out the undertaking's experience, as well as the most recent Dogelon coin news and cost forecast. Dogelon defaces takes memecoin into DEFI. What is the Dogelon damages coin? Like the other canine-themed memecoins, including Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu, Dogelon defaces digital currency plays on the famous web image in view of the Shiba Inu canine, yet adds joking references to Elon Musk and cryptographic money costs mobilizing to the moon. Dogelon damages was made by a mysterious local area of designers to run on the Ethereum and Polygon blockchain networks. Elon sent off in April 2021 on the Uniswap decentralized trade. On the 23rd of April 2021, Elon's designers tweeted that the local area had consented to airdrop 734 million Elon tokens to each person who had lost cash on the WOGE token carpet pool. A floor-covering pool is the point at which a digital money undertaking's engineers advance their venture and afterward pull out all liquidity, sending the cost to nothing. On the 16th of May, the local area gave an airdrop of more than 72.7 million tokens following the CUBACOI and floor-covering pool. The Dogelon defaces project saw more than $100 M in volume exchanged in the span of 24 hours on the 25th of April in the midst of the send-off of its most memorable Dogelon Mars comic non-fungible token on the OpenSea Commercial Center. With digital money markets energizing in May 2021, Elon arrived at 50,000 holders by the center of the month. Dogelon defaces was sent off with a greatest stockpile of 1 quadrillion coins, half of which the originators locked to the Uniswap trade. The other half was shipped off Ethereum fellow benefactor Vitalik Buterin, similarly that the makers of Dogecoin sent Doge to Buterin's cryptographic money wallet. Buterin thusly consumed and gave his Doge possessions, expressing that he didn't need the force of holding a lot of other tasks coins. On the 25th of May 2021, biomedical cause Methuselah establishment said it had gotten 43% of the Elon supply in a gift from Buterin. The establishment said that it would deal with those possessions to augment the $Elon's drawn-out esteem to propel the establishment's central goal. The May 12th gift shocked the quickly developing Dogelon Mars people group, which had anticipated that Buterin should forever hold his $Elon property, eliminating them from dissemination. The gift raised liquidity worries for the $Elon, compromising its worth. Today, Dogelon is seen as a profoundly speculative venture. We trust that our stewardship will boost its worth so it can add to the life-protracting work we are focused on. The establishment said it would hold the Elon coins for essentially a year. On the 16th of August 2022, the Methuselah establishment declared that Everest Wellbeing, which offers the Methuselah Wellbeing Convention, is currently tolerating Ether and Dogelon defaces for installment. In October 2021, the Elon designers declared plans to enter the decentralized money and non-fungible token biological systems with the send-off of a ZLON token and an assortment of NFT characters. The ZLON coin sent off in November as an administration token with a DEFI procuring convention and marking motivator. Clients who stake their ELON or ELON, WETH liquidity pool tokens get ZLON as a prize and can utilize it to decide on drives and other navigation. The venture's most memorable DEFI organization was with decentralized market producer Popsicle Money on the Ethereum organization. The ELON token doesn't have the utility degree of other cryptographic forms of money, for example, Dogecoin, which is acknowledged by a developing number of shippers. However, it has drawn in light of a legitimate concern for enormous digital money financial backers, known as whales. The main 100 whales hold a normal of 5.4 trillion ELON tokens, at a typical worth of $1.47 M, as per information accumulated by Crypto following Help Whale Stats. On the 8th of September, a whale moved 4.99 trillion ELON tokens esteemed at $1.39 M from the Gate.io trade to an Ethereum wallet. How did these improvements drive the ELON coin cost and what do they mean for the Dogelon defaces crypto cost expectation? The Dogelon token cost took off from its the 23rd of August 2021 send-off cost of $0 top at $0 the 11th of May, an increase of 4,540% as cryptographic money markets mobilized. The value tumbled to $0 following day and exchanged beneath $0 June until October. with image and metaverse tokens revitalizing in October into November. The outline shows Elon took off to $0 the 30th of October, dropped to $0 the 3rd of November, and spiked to $0 the 7th of November. The cost stayed unstable heading into 2022, dropping in late November, mobilizing again toward the beginning of December, and afterward falling on the 22nd of January to its most reduced level since late October. Elon USD couldn't clutch the additions toward the beginning of February and exchanged down to $0.15 walk. The value moved to $0.28 walk, dropped to $0 the 18th of April, and spiked to $0 the 20th of April as its namesake. Tesla organizer Elon Musk pulled in titles for proposing to purchase virtual entertainment stage Twitter. On the 22nd of April, Simplex added help for clients to buy Elon with government-issued money. On the 27th of April, Elon was among 9 crypto tokens upheld following the send-off of Binance Scaffold 2.0, which empowers clients to store the tokens on existing organizations and pull out the relating BEP20 token. The cost then, at that point, plunged in May, coming to $0 the 12th of May as digital currency markets responded to the breakdown of the Luna environment. Negative opinion kept on pulling costs lower, and Elon exchanged down to $0 the 19th of June. A short spike to $0 the 25th of June neglected to hold, and the token has moved down from the $0 in August to the $0 in September. What is a practical projection for the Dogelon deface's cost? Can the symbolic stage a breakout, or will the cost retreat? We take a gander at assumptions for the crypto from estimating destinations. Dogelon damages cost expectation. What heading will the cost pattern take? At the hour of composing, specialized examination showed that the viewpoint for the Elon cost was negative, with 23 pointers showing negative signs and 1 bullish, the volume-weighted moving normal. Present moment Dogelon deface's value forecast was likewise negative, demonstrating that the token could drop 20.41% to $0 the 19th of September and exchange at 0.0000002856 in a month. Calculation-based figure administration Dogelon deface's cost expectation for 2022 was bullish, projecting the coin could climb to $0 the year's over. The Elon token cost forecast showed it could then exchange up from $0 the finish of 2023 to $0 the finish of 2025. Elon coin cost expectation additionally saw the cost moving higher, averaging $0 2022 and $0 2023 in light of verifiable information. The Crypto Information Administration's Dogelon deface's cost expectation for 2025 demonstrated the cost could ascend to $0 and afterward arrive at a normal of $0 2030. Elon crypto cost expectation had the coin ascending at a quicker pace later in the 10 years, averaging $0 2022 and $0 2023. The Dogelon damages cost expectation for 2030 from the site's profound computerized reasoning help specialized examination showed the value ascending to $0 from $0 2025. The Elon value expectation was the most bullish. The site projected that the token could arrive at an objective cost of $0 the finish of 2025, up from $0 the finish of 2022, in view of its profound learning specialized examination. While searching for a Dogelon